Welcome back, my dear students. So, dear students, today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 13. We have done the previous chapter number 12. It was and were. So, we have done use of was and were. Today we are going to do use of was, were and were plus ing. Okay, so today we are going to start this chapter. So where do we use it? In previous chapter I told you that was and were we always use with the past. This I made you clear that time. So we use it with the past sentences when we are talking about the time which is gone. Okay, time before now. 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, what you were doing? You were sitting, you were playing. Now you are doing study. Okay, so before now, that is called past. Okay, and was were, I told you was we use with a singular noun or pronoun when we are talking about one thing, one person, and were we use when we are talking about many person, many thing. Okay, means was we use with a singular noun and were we use with the plural noun or pronoun. Pronouns which we use, pronoun we are the words which we use in the places of nouns. Okay, so let me show you something. Just look at the board, watch it carefully, try to understand. Hope it will be clear to you. We have done this when we were doing chapter was and were. I told you these things. Now listen it very carefully. But here we have to use VI, that is first form, verb first form. I will tell you this also. And with that we have to use ing. Okay, both we use with the past sentences, was and were, and was were plus ing, first form plus ing we always use for the about when we are talking about the time before now, means about past. Okay, so first of all, please listen here. He, she, it, your name, like it's Araf, Ria, table, anything, school. Okay, you can see these are singular pronoun and these are singular nouns. One, we use it for one thing, one person. So with this, when we are talking about the past, we always use was, was. But in this chapter, what you have to do with was, we will use first form plus ing. What is first form? I told you present and past form, like play and played. This is present form, this is past form. This is called first form and this is called second form. Listen very carefully, we call it first form and second form also. Verb, first form of verb, second form of verb. It is present form, it is past form. Okay, so we have done this add ed. When we add ed, the verb becomes a past form. Means verb, it will be verb, second form of the verb. So play we use for the present and played we use when we are talking about the past. Clear? Okay. So in this chapter, what you have to do, we have to use with was, were, first form. Like it is play is given to you. So what you will do, you will add ing. Playing. Let me give you one sentence. See, the father was ironing his shirt when the doorbell rang. So you can see it is rang, it is second form. Ring is the first form and rang is the second form. We call it past form. Means we are talking about past. This we use with the present. Okay, so this we use with the past. So it is past form here. So what you have to do, you have to see father is singular noun, so you will use here was, and iron is was we have used. With iron we will add ing. So what was father doing? Father was ironing his shirt when the doorbell rang. When the doorbell rang is, we are talking about past. Then father was ironing his shirt. Okay, now we will talk about were. Now see, so where do we use were? Were we use with the plural pronouns Arav and Pia. We are talking about two persons, plural. Children we use for plural. Children is a plural word. And schools, it is not school, schools. We are talking about many schools. So with this we always use word, and whatever word will be given to you, suppose it is play is given to you, so with that you will add ing. It will become playing. We were playing in the garden when you came. You were playing in the garden when I came. They were playing in the garden. Arav and Pia were playing in the garden. Children were playing in the garden. So this is clear. So we use it with the plural pronoun. Schools is also a plural noun. So with this also we will use were. Okay. Okay. So let us do some sentences. First sentence. So now you have to use was, were, first form plus ing. So how we will use it in the fill in the blanks. In filling the blanks. Charu dash buy shoes when I called her. So how you have to use? First of all, you will see what is given here. Charu means here we are talking about one person. So it means when we are talking about one person, one noun or pronoun. So what you have to use here? You will use was. So you will write first of all here was. Then what do you have to do? What is given here? By. So you will write this by. With that, this is verb. This is called verb, first form. And with this you have to add ing. Was buying. Charu was buying shoes when I called her. Second. Number 2. The children dash, in bracket it is given dance, at 8 o'clock at the party. So first of all you have to see what is given here. Children. So this is singular or plural? It is plural. This is plural now. Children means so many kids. Yes? So it is plural. So when we are talking about plural, we will use were. And now what you have to do? What is given here? Dance. So you will add here ing. One thing you have to keep in your mind, when you are adding ing, if e is there in the last, this e we will not add. We will cut it. It will not come. So we will not write dancing. Dancing. The children were dancing at 8 o'clock at the party. So if e is there at the last of the verb and we are adding ing, you will not add e when we are adding ing. E we will cut. It will not come. Okay. Next. They dash sleep when the alarm went off. Now see what is given here. They. So they we are using with singular or plural. They we use with the plural person. When we are talking about so many things, so many animals, birds, so many persons. Okay. So now what do you have to use here? We will use here word. Now what is given here? Sleep. So you will add ing. So this way you have to do these fill in the blanks. So you just have to see what is given here. If it is singular noun, you will add was. If it is plural noun, you will add verb. And whatever verb is given to you, this is verb, first form. It is first form. So whatever verb is given to you, that you will write and you will add ing. Okay? If e is given with the verb in the last, there we are not adding e. We will cut e, then we will add ing. Okay? Sleep, sleeping, play, playing, eat, eating, drink, drinking. Okay, so this way you will do this. Hope that this chapter is clear to you. It's very easy. So with singular noun we are using was, and with the plural noun we are using were when we are talking about the time gone now, just which is finished now, which has gone now. Okay, so okay, take care. God bless you.